Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here today to do my plan with me in my Walmart Pen and Gear B6 size traveler's notebook. The tassel is from Dollar Tree, the puff is from Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's time for me to change things up a little bit. I just haven't really had the time to work on it, but I will. This dashboard is from Coco's Vision, and it's like one of my new favorite things. I need to make an actual dashboard out of it. Right now I just have it slipped into this vinyl pocket, and I've also pulled some things out from my stash from other B6 traveler's notebooks, like this piece of floral vellum that I printed, and then I have these inserts that I think I will use coming up soon. But for now, I'm going to continue on in the Dollar Tree planner that I have here. So this is the last week that I did in the planner, the week of Memorial Day. So now I'm going to move on, and I'm actually going to do another of the prompts for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. If you're interested in participating in the challenge, all of the information is available in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. It's never too late to start. You can jump in at any time, do whatever weeks you want. You're free to interpret the prompts any way you want. The prompts are there for the whole year, so there's no guessing. You can prepare yourself in advance. But anyway, these are the washi's that I pulled out. The prompt this week is, let me make sure I say it correctly. Okay, this is week 23. The prompt for this week is the bright side. So like I say, you can interpret the prompts any way you want. Even though I've used this yellow recently, I'm going to use it again because it seems like it's the brightest washi that I have, and the yellow and black seem to be very bright to me. So that's what I'm going to use. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to use this sticker, this full box sticker, and some of the yellow flowers. So let me just get started. I'm going to use the full box kind of like washi like I did in a previous spread. So let me go ahead and white out this area. So let's take the sticker, and I'm just going to fold it in half with the sticky side out, of course. Give myself somewhat of a guide to cut by. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and cut that in half as best as I can. Then I'm just going to center it in the header area and not go all the way down to the line, just like center it in the area. And voila, you have two pieces of washi, kind of. Then I'm gonna go find the yellow flowers. Some I've already used portions of, like this one. So I'm going to, let's see how I want to do that. I think I'll put it here. Let me hold on to that. Unfortunately, this one has a pink center. I'm not crazy about that, but let's see what we can do with it. What else we got? I don't like the pink center or orangey center. I didn't even realize that that was a thing. So let's put this right here. Trim that in half. Put it here. Let's move it over a little bit. take a couple of these teeny tiny heart icons and fill in some of the area. Okay, so let's go ahead and start laying down some washi. I'm actually kind of wondering if I should use some black and white striped washi, some thicker washi here, but I think this will be okay. My ruler. I actually cleaned off my desk earlier today. It was a huge mess because I've been doing several live streams. Well, I did several live streams this week over on my other channel, and I probably should be doing this as a live stream for my patrons, but I think I will be doing another plan with me live for patrons. If you're not a Scrapcraftastic patron, you can check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic. I just did a new perk this morning. This is Saturday, and this video will probably go up Sunday. But yeah, I just gave a new perk to patrons, and I can tell you there's something pretty exciting coming up on the 1st, as well as there's something else besides the perk that I posted today, that I posted recently, that is pretty cool. But you're gonna have to be a patron to find out. So yeah. I don't think I'm going to split the weekends this time. Canadian Armed Forces Day. Okay. I think we're just going to keep it regular, simple. Got a little kink in that. And I need to pick out a doll. I know I want to use a Coco's Vision doll, but I have to find her. Okay, so this is my last order from Coco's Vision. And I could use pretty much any of these, but, ooh. I am going to use one of the Pillow Girls. I'm going to, even though I like the one with her hair up the most, I'm going to save her. I need to put these away. But I'm going to save her, and I'm going to use the one with her hair down. And even though this really has nothing to do with this spread, I just like it. So I'm going to use it. And she goes right there. And then for my days of the week, so I'm going to use these for the days of the week. And I'm going to use these for the dates. Okay. So even though these look kind of whimsical, I'm going to go with them anyway. And I'm just going to use the solid black smaller versions and see how they look. I need to really package these up and make them available to patrons. I just haven't done it yet. So I think I'm going to stick these right in the middle. I think I like the way that looks. Y'all know if I could, I'd probably do the giant numbers, the hand lettered numbers that I created. I would probably do those on everything every week until I just got tired of them, but I won't do that. But I do enjoy those numbers. These I broke down and used my Happy Planner version, but these are mine. on this page. So yeah, I've been using them a lot lately, so I guess it's time to lay off for a minute. I do have some nice numbers in, what is that? One of the Paper Studio books too. But come on. One line is enough to work with, I think. Now I did want to add some polka dots in here, and I probably haven't given myself enough room for that. And maybe a few stripes to kind of complement her dress. Let's see what we can do. Maybe I can put it down at the bottom. I don't know why I never learn to put down all the washi first, but the design usually doesn't. Sometimes I know beforehand exactly what I want to do, and those are the times where it doesn't seem to work out very well. And then sometimes I just have a general idea and kind of put it together as I go. Like today, I really struggled with this. It's like almost 7 o'clock. And I've been planning to come in here and get this done since I woke up this morning. And I even walked around with the yellow washi in my hand for a little while. And then I said, well, let me put this back on my desk before I set it down somewhere, and can't remember what I did with it. But yeah, so that happens. It was like I had an idea, but I just couldn't flesh it out. I don't know. But it's working out now. Even those stickers are popping up. And I do like a good yellow with black and white polka dots. So, come on, stay down. Or black and white stripes even. Let me burnish everything down. This page is just curling. I think it's because I pulled the washi tape too tight over there. I don't know. But try not to do that. It's kind of hard sometimes because for some reason I don't know what this Dollar Tree planner paper is treated with, but it seems like some washi tape does not want to immediately stick to it. So it takes it a minute to set, I guess, for the glue to actually adhere to the page. I don't know what causes that, but it does happen. So in a way, it happens with the stickers too. It takes a minute. That's why you see me burnish using the rounded edge of my ruler. On the back of the page, I do that so that I don't snag any of the stickers or washi tape on this side of the page that aren't sticking. So, but that helps like actually get everything to stick down. And yeah, so there was one other sticker that I saw in here that would work with this spread before I put down the numbers that I wanted to use. Was it this book? No, it was, I'm sure it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was just another one of the flowers. There it is. Okay, so let's put this here. Maybe I should put it, no, leave it, leave it, leave it. I wish there was some other yellowish sticker in here that I could use, but there is not. Okay, so let's put down the dates. I'm going to use I can't use the diamonds, not those diamonds, because I already used them. So I'll use these. And Monday is the 1st, right? Yes. These are available to patrons. How do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? There's still room to write. Again, this is my food diary. I don't eat multiple times. Well, I eat multiple times a day sometimes, but for the most part I don't, and so I don't need a whole lot of room to write things down. I usually just have like one main meal and other smaller things sometimes. So sticking the number right in the middle is cool for this. And I'm thinking about changing my shop. I mean, I'm going to still do inserts or have inserts available in my shop. But this morning, I had a brainstorm. You know, I really enjoy day of the week, month, and date stickers. So I was thinking I should maybe just start doing those because I really like them. And you can never have too many. I mean, if you're doing decorative planning, you can never have too many date stickers. I mean, look how many planners. I'm sure a lot of us have a ton of planners for previous years that are unused that we could use or redate or use for other purposes. And it would be nice to just have easy access to dates and day of the week and month stickers. I mean, they can be used for a whole plethora of things, including for journaling and things like that. So I don't know. Those, I try to do things that keep me happy and excited to do them. Once I get bored with it, I won't do it. So anywho, let's pop this in. I think that's going to be it for this spread for this week. Do we want to keep her? No, she just goes right here. And I'm going to keep those in there for now. The only thing about this Walmart planner is that the spine limits how much you can put in here. And I really want to fill it up. I have other things that I would like to keep in here. But then I'm also concerned about putting too much because it's pink and I don't want to ruin it. So it's not something that I want to carry around or anything like that. So maybe I just need to set up a whole separate planner. We'll see. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.